Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add anchor text to your blog post in System.io. First step, you open your System.io dashboard and you navigate to blogs. You click on your website, and under post you click on the post that you want to add anchor text. So let me click on this post and it will open the post editor. So to add an anchor text, you simply scroll to where you want to add the anchor text. So let's say I want to add my anchor text here, so I will click on the editor, then highlight the text, and you come and click here to add a link. So then you paste your URL. So let me paste the URL and you click on save. And that is it, your anchor text has been created. You can see, if you hover on it, you can see it has been underlined, which means there is an anchor text. So you click on save changes, and that is it for today's video. If that is what you needed, please leave a like on this video, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you on the next one.